Hello, my friends. Welcome to Icon City. Welcome to all to the next video. As we all know, this is the big one. You might know the big one, don't you? If no one knows that, then I'll let you know. This is the another variant of Optimus Prime, and he's also from the Baiwei company. As you all know him, and so well. And that means you know that person that used to be a Titan, as former the Titan, and that is a Titan class over there, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Optimus Prime in Rise of the Beast and Bumblebee movie. I think this is perfect, I guess. Okay, yeah. This is what he looks like this. And instructions were behind. So, what the instructions do, well, let's just think about it. Okay, we'll do this. And then we'll go back in the seat. Open them. Then open the entire thing, flip them up, open this, and then this, and this. Let me see if meaning. Yep. And then all you have to do is just lean them around. All you have to do is just swing them around. Swing them around. Then swing this around. And then all you have to do is put the head there, then with the arms over there. Actually, you have to flip the feet, and then this, and then for sure. And then now. Okay, then now okay, got it. Pero. And then flap those back into place, and then this, and then okay. And then boom, here you have a Titan Optimus Trucks mode. So it is very true, because the instructions isn't super easy to. Like, the instructions is over there, so not gonna lie, but the way it shows on the move, how it looks like this. So yeah, how to transform him, you might ask. So first you have to open those, put those in the place. Put them back, open this, pull the arms back, open the chest, in the matrix was revealed. Then all you have to do is flip those. Hello. And then open those feet. And then boom! Here we have Rise of the Beast in his robot mode. Now, and it's kind of crazy for Optimus like this. I mean, the transformations and stuff like that. Oh yeah, and his accessories. It's like, he's a mixture of Bumblebee movie and Rise of the Beast. Yay. Like that, of course. Most of the disappointing that is like this. Yeah, not kidding. And I have no place for my Titan boy here. And accessories, that is only 2 Requiem blasters. Seriously. Why as blasters? Seriously, why as blasters? Shouldn't there be any Schwartz you might ask? Seriously. The guy's like, he doesn't have any iron. And I try swords or like, so yeah. Oh. Ouch! And then ow! Ow. And yeah, you can flip those as you can make a Bumblebee movie like. Stay! So, for comparison, in here with the Titan. Rudigus. For that. You can see how big he is. Give me a second. Here he is with the miniature Optimus Prime. Here he is with the Prime Optimus. As you know, here he is with Bumblebee. As you can see, the Titan glass works. There's that. We got you. Here he is with that Titan boy, Titan here, Titan Prime. And yeah, it's a Titan class and a Titan class. It's the same size as usual for Prime and B. And man, I'm gonna be honest, like, look at the sizes, man. Like, can you even believe that? I mean, look at the size and look at their sizes and their everything. It shows like how equally were they. Even Sentinel Prime's shoulders were almost double as it, as he's the largest Transformers around. And that, here he is with the last Night Megatron. And you know, as usual, he's almost Dick Reese. Bro, he's almost small. I don't understand that time, like, and I have no place for my Titan Prime, seriously. Even for my Grimlock and that. Seriously, like, I'm not joking, guys. Like, 3 Titans on my hands. So yeah, for articulations, Optimus can move the hand around, up, down. As for the arms, you can rotate them around. Shoulder there, wrist rotation, this, and wobbly. And you can do this, wrist waist rotation, Butterfly joint. And you come with the 2 guns. Wait a minute. Does it come with the light effects? Wait, is there any light effects? Because I see like there's one light. And no buttons there. Wait, there's like a light effects. I mean, I cannot even tell where's the light effects. Even this one has light effects. Like, where is the button? And I mean, like, where's the button? Huh. Oh, okay. Now this one could be somewhere. Give me something. Guys, can you tell me where it is? Like, this one too? Huh? Okay, nothing. What is this? That's small. This looks so small. It looks so small. And I thought it was supposed to be working, but this one's working though. I thought this one's working, but this one is working though. For the rise of the beast cannon. And yeah, oh, of course that. Like this band, and then whoa! And then whoa! And then whoa! Okay. This tie rotation. Yeah. That's weird. Tires like that, and then this one. And then this movable. And yeah. So we have one Titan and another Titans. And he'll join with the other Titans, of course. Yep. This is how Tall House was. So guys, if you want to know about more, these are from the Maximus up, and these are and this Optimus were from baiwei collection. However, for Sentinel and Megatron, no idea. Even for Optimus, I don't know either. So yeah, if you want to know about more of these characters, follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe, and roll out.